Hey everyone, welcome to today's Python beginner series. Today we'll be diving into variables and data type, which are the core of every programming language. Firstly, what is variable? Variable in Python is like a box that holds information. For example, a box always have a name. Inside it is an object which contains either a number or text or a list of objects. So what am I trying to say? I'm explaining this in Python language. So let me give you. So right here, our variable here is the name and the age, and the information it's trying to store here is Toby and the age 15. So that is what is that's the variable there. So now let's explain. Let's talk about data type. What is data type? Data type in Python or even in programming are a lot of things. They have different things, but we are going to treat the common ones today, which are strings, boolean, float, and integer. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So strings, strings are like this. Is either single quote or a double quote string. Then we have the integer, short for int, is an whole number like three or 3, 4, 5, or even numbers like 990 and all. We have the floats, which are decimal numbers like 3.4, then 4.6 or 7.0. These are decimal numbers. And the boolean, which are true or false statements. They are true or false statements. So let me bring this back again for your understanding. We have the string data type, which are either double quote or single quote. We have the integer, which is either it is a whole number, and we have the float, which is decimal number, and we have the boolean, which is a true or false statement. So with this we've learned, let's get into practical. So we are just going to bring in a line of code that generate out your age for you using data types and variables. With this line of code, it calculates your age for you just by collecting your year of birth. So let me show you a brief example in the terminal. Name, let me use John, 1990. So John was born at the year he was born at the year 1990 and he's 35 years of age. Let's use a year that is going to be, let's use 2000. So 2000 obviously is going to be at the age of 25. So let's try that. Okay, 2000. As you can see, Mike was born at the year 2000 and he's currently at the age of 25. So with this you can perform storing of user information and also performing smart calculations with data types and variables.